Okay, tonight I'm making special video for customer from Murfreesboro, and he liked this truck, so we test drove it today and everything good, but I'll show you guys what do you call it. It's the steering tie rods, inner and outer, they're all okay. I mean, I did order them, but Suzuki and Mazda Scrum, it's the same basically car. Suzuki and Mazda Scrum have this. Where is the light? I forgot what do you call it. That's the whole thing right here. And here inside it's got two, I believe it's two bearings and some bushings there. And what happens, they're going bad eventually, even with only 17,000 miles. Let me try. I already loosened it up, but what's happening, let's start moving. And what's going on, when you're going like 80, 85, 90 kilometers an hour, it starts shaking sideways here. And your wheels start wobbling and the whole front is just going like crazy. So it's kind of seems it's hard to take it off because bunch of tie rods, but really all you gotta do, loosen your bolts up, spray from the top with the BP blaster, and also from inside, from top. From inside, let it sit for like 10 minutes. Then, let me put this light somehow to make it stay there. Yeah, this magnet is creepy. Magnet, always on the way. So, what I do, but don't push too hard. So, push with the pry bar up a little, and while you're pushing, not hard, just barely, make sure your bolt nut is not all the way, it stays there like flush, and then just a couple taps and it will pop out. At the beginning I thought, man, I tried everything, but then I remember how I did it in Russia on the military vehicles, and it did work. So they're all out. I just put them back to, because I'm draining oil right now also, so I'm gonna replace the oil filter. Then I'll check again the axle, front axle, rear axle, and transmission with transfer case oil. I'm gonna make sure I did replace it. If not, I'm gonna replace. I mean, I'm already draining engine oil, kind of dirty. I thought I replaced it. I guess I'm getting too busy. I need help here. So it's simple. Take it off. While you're replacing that, I suggest replace inner, outer tie rods. It's simple, same thing here. You just spray a little, then put pry bar here, put your bolt to the top like that, and just barely tap while you're pushing, and it will come off easy. Yeah, so it's all unhooked. I mean, it's hooked, but I'm gonna move it inside the garage up there because the part's not gonna arrive till Thursday, and I still gotta service this one. I mean, not service, this one needs to be painted, cleaned. I replaced timing belt on this Mitsubishi, timing belt kit and everything. So I need to kind of take all that crap from there. And this is nice truck. Only I think 17,000 miles. Going to Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Hopefully this week I'll finish it. Still gotta take it to Jason to do the alignment. Very nice truck. So yeah, Mini trucks, everything is very simple. Most of the stuff seems hard because we just don't know how to do it. But when you learn once, it's very simple, very, very simple. Yeah. Yeah, and ball joints is good. I checked them, and I'll check them more when I will take everything apart. And let's put that bolt back. I think this is it. No, I mean, no, not yet. I'm gonna check all the axles and I'm gonna keep doing this video. Okay, front axle. It's perfectly clean. I'm not gonna even touch it. It's super clean. Where's camera? Which way? Come on. Hard to see, but it's super clean, yeah. Okay, let's see. Is that filming? Yeah. Rear is perfectly clean also. It's right here. So I'm not gonna touch that either. Okay, let's see. Okay, how we get there. Same, perfectly clean. Apparently I did replace it, but the engine for some reason was dirty. So I thought maybe I didn't touch it. I guess I forgot, maybe. Or maybe not. Maybe, yeah, it's got sticker on the, what do you call it, glove compartment. And it says oil been replaced and still good. So I probably decide not to touch it yet. But since I replaced everything, this is going to be replaced. Still dripping a little. Yeah, it's dirty on the engine. I mean, not dirty. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna replace filter. Where's the filter? Where am I? Here. Yeah, that's not my filter. Or is it my filter? No, I think it's not my filter. No, yeah. Air filter is brand new. And let's see what else here. Oh, also, yeah, I did forget to replace the fuel filter right there. So I'm glad I ordered a bunch of them because a lot of Suzuki is coming. So I'm gonna replace it right now. So axle, transmission, front axle, rear axle, oil replaced already. Engine oil draining, I'm gonna replace it with a filter. Then I'll replace fuel filter and air filter already replaced. And when all parts arrives, all the tie rod ends will be replaced and that assembly will be replaced. And then I'll take it to alignment. I think this is it. So, man, that's gonna be a nice truck. It's his friend bought one truck from me, Subaru Sambar dump truck, and I guess now everybody wants them. I need to get more of them. Nice truck, yeah. Okie dokie, everybody have a blessed life. I will finish this truck. Probably not gonna make any more videos. I mean, for the owner, I'll make video when I will put everything back. And I'll see you all in the next video.